his bed had grown, a mushroom cloud of green and grey spread across the fullness of his ceiling. He wasn't safe, not in his duvet fortress anymore. It took 3 more days until ignorant peace put him under. And in the meantime, he saw, in meeting his woman and in loving her, he began to see violet branches scrape up against the heavens, wide green expanses, sun like a bled radiator. He had begun to be changed, in sinew and in sinus, in beauty and in symbol. And when winter strolled in through frosty swell, one chilled November morning, she in bed, he preparing the coffee. The bath above crashed through the paper ceiling, dropping a black waterfall of ceramic onto her body below, crushing her delicate bones into nothing.